In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit shapes that we create in ArcGIS Pro. These are the building footprints I've created using the GeoAI tool. Now I want to edit some of these building footprints. I'll go to Edit tab here, and let's say I want to modify these rectangles or the building footprints. So I'll click on Modify. Here on the right side, I see a lot of tools: Move, Rotate, Scale, Annotation, Transform, Align Features, Reshaping tools, Editing Vertices. Let's begin with some simple tools. Let's say I want to modify this building. I'll click on one of these alignment tools. Let's click on Move. And I need to select the layer that I want to modify. Here, let me click this. You see, when I click the layer, this pointer turn from hand to the point. I will select the feature that I want to modify. So I'll select this. When I selected this, here on the bottom side, different options appear. The first, lift, move; second, rotate; third, scale; and this last, fourth and fifth, if I want to finish or cancel. The first one is move tool. Now, if I want to move this building to slightly left or right or up or down, then I can use this. I moved it slightly up, and now if this is the good one, then to finish it, I will click this finish option here. The move is done. Again, now I want to do something here. So I'll click it again. And if I want to rotate this, sometimes let's say the building might be like this. And if I want to fix that so that it perfectly aligns on top of that building on the satellite imagery, then I would rotate like this. If I want to increase the buildings or the polygons area this way or this way, then I use this scale tool. When I'm done, click finish. This is how we modify the already created shapes. After modifying these, we need to save this. Here on the top left, I need to click the save. The modification is saved. If I want to modify another feature, let's see this building here, I'll click here and then follow the same process. When I clicked here, the tool that I was using last time, that is automatically activated. Now, if I want to use the move tool, then I'll click here and then I'll move. This is still selected. And if I want to go back, I'll save this to make sure nothing is selected. Then I'll go here on the top and click clear so that nothing is selected here. There was a building here, which is not now, but again, I need to create a new shape. If I want to create something, create here, because this layer is already selected. I'll click the layer that I want to create. I'll expand this create feature. This is pinned here. If I do not want to pin that, I'll click it. It says auto hide. I'll disable the auto hide option, so it is here. Already this polygon option is turned on. Here on the bottom side, different options, different tools for creating a polygon, because this is a polygon feature, so already a polygon feature is here. But here, if I want to create a circle, I would choose this. For a rectangle or a square, I would choose this. For ellipse, I would choose this. Here, this is for a polygon. Sketch line on the map, and I will draw a polygon here. Double click, finish. I'll click this one and click save here. Now I want to modify this because this is not a perfect rectangle. I'll go to modify and edit vertices. I'll select this, and when the edit vertices is turned on here on the bottom, I would choose this plus icon. I'm not adding any vertices. If I'm adding, I would click here. Then, so if I click here, I'm adding one vertex and I can move it like this. But I do not want that. I'll click here and then I'll delete this. And again, I'll click here, plus, but here I'll move my cursor over this vertex and click and drag and make it like a rectangle. I'm done. Clear. So this is modified. So let's divide this building into 6 small buildings. Let's go back to modify features, and here on the divide, the split. Divide divides lines out of polygon features. Split, it splits the polygons. Let's split it. Click split. Select one or more lines or polygons. Select this. To split it, I need to draw the line, and that line has to cross this building. Click, double click. Now it is split. Click, double click, click, double click, click, double click, click, double click. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can click finish. So I divided this one building into 6 smaller buildings. I'll save it. Do not forget to save from the edit tab, and then I will do the final save. So this is the technique how we can create and modify the features in ArcGIS Pro. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and also subscribe this channel. On the comment box below, please write what kind of video you want me to prepare for you. Thank you.